Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. I work hard in the holy month of Ramadan and I prepared the second menu video for you. If you want to prepare a different chickpea dish as a main dish, you can make chickpeas with chicken. Wash the chickpeas the night before and soak them in cold water. After a day, wash the chickpeas and add them to the strainer. Add chickpeas to a deep pot. Add boiling water at the level of chickpeas, then chicken broth will be added. Get the foam. Close the lid and cook the chickpeas on low heat. Prepare the chickens. Whole chickens will be used to make it delicious. Chicken thighs are better. Peel off chicken skin. Chicken breast off the bone. Wash chicken bones twice with boiling water. Add boiling water to chicken bones and boil for 2 hours. When you add the chickpeas to the water, start boiling the chicken bones at the same time. Dice chicken. I added chicken wings with bones for myself. Wash the chopped chicken with boiling water. Chickens chopped this way will be clean. These residues of blood. Add chicken broth boiled for 2 hours. Chickpeas are starting to fall apart now. You can turn off the fire. Finely chop the onion. Add sunflower oil. After the oil is hot, add the chopped onions. Add chopped chicken and mix. Black pepper. Chili pepper. Very little cumin. Hot pepper sauce. Tomato paste. Add a little water and mix so that there are no lumps. Add chickpeas and chicken. Salt and sugar. Chopped green pepper. You can use sweet paprika as fatal shot. It will be great. I will not use tomatoes so that it is not sour. This meal is ready. A very easy sherbet Damascus dessert will be made. Sugar is added to the syrup. First, boiling water. You can watch the detailed recipe of this dessert made at home from the link on the upper right. Sherbet is boiled. Add yogurt, dough, baking powder and vanilla, baking soda, beet sugar. Semolina. The materials are so, add semolina mix. After it becomes a solid consistency, add it to the baking tray. Smooth the mixture with a spoon or a spatula. Slice it, For easy reslicing after frying, "48 slices of Damascus dessert." Top and bottom should be well fried. Add the hot syrup after taking it out of the oven. Add nutmeg. You can garnish with hazelnut, almonds, pistachios, or walnuts, the cheapest coconut. After cooling, the dessert is ready to be served. Milk meat soup, cow neck meat, boiled for 4 hours, finely removed. Sunflower oil.
Flour, flour, flour.
Mix. Mix for 5 minutes, make 2 clicks. Add boiling water. Add boiling water again, mix. In case of lumps, mix with a blender, add cold milk mix. Salt and sugar. Boil for 3 minutes. Add the meats. Mix and boil for 3 minutes. It's done, ready to serve soup. Rice pilaf with meat and vermicelli. Soak the rice. Finely cut vermicelli. Large pot, sunflower oil. Add fine vermicelli after the oil is hot. Mix. When the thin noodles turn pink, add the rice without water. Make 2 clicks on the strainer and the rice will spill, mix. Add salt, mix. For 2 cups of rice, add 2 cups of boiling water. Mix. Add meat. Mix. Turn off the fire after 10 minutes. Rest for 15 minutes and mix the rice. Let rest for another 15 minutes and ready to serve. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. You can leave a tip, support me. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love, goodbye.